Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and this may seem strange, but I'm at the backup gun match with an actual backup gun for once. This is the Smith & Wesson Shield Plus in 30 Super Carry. I figured we're going to do some video on this a couple weeks ago. It's so perfectly appropriate for a backup gun match that I have to actually try it in one. And I'm curious how this will play out, because my normal practice in one of these matches, usually I've got something with a very limited mag capacity and I've only got one magazine for it, and so I'm carefully trying to pick all the very best shots. Well, I got 13 in this thing with the flush magazine, so on stages at this kind of match I can pretty much just blaze away, which is the nice benefit of 30 Super Carry. So let's see how that works for me.
Shooter is ready, stand by! And if you're finished, unload and show me clear. I see clear, slide.
I figured I'd take advantage of the capacity and just dump a bunch of bullets at everything. So 369 points, that's clean, 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 definitely clean. And I did actually run out. I thought I was going to have enough to put 2 or 3 on that guy. So I'm actually down 2 points on the last target.
Is your dot on?
I actually have the dot on this time.
There you go.
That's called a pro move, gamer tip there.
That's cheating. Yep. Give me a nod when you're ready. Shooter is ready, stand by! Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear.
And I still had 4 rounds left, so I could have blasted away some more.
Full points!
I managed to clean them all.
Shooter is ready, stand by! Ha! Okay, if you're finished, unload, show me clear. I see clear.
My dot actually died there, and I shot the entire thing using the not quite visible through the bottom of the dot iron sights. But clean, 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 and all the steel. All right, I want to step in for just a moment here. It turned out the reason that my optic was off, it was not broken. On the Swamp Fox, you turn it off by pressing and holding the down button. And that appears to have happened in a case between stages. And I didn't double check the optic before I started this stage. So that's what happened. Nothing was broken. After the stage, I went to check it out. All I had to do was turn it on. But that's a feature that not a big fan of. There are some of these are instant on, where when they sense movement, they turn on. I like that system. And there are others where you press and hold both the up and down buttons to turn it off. That's a much more, to me, a much more safe sort of fail-safe style of turning the thing off, because that's not going to happen accidentally, where just pressing and holding one can. And I could certainly see that also happening while you're carrying the gun, especially if you're left-handed and that's pressing up against your body. So not a big fan of that feature on this particular optic. The pistol, however, ran great regardless.
Shooter is ready, stand by. Alright, if you're finished, unload, show me clear. I see clear. Slide.
I am once again still overestimating how much ammo I have in this thing. Like, I can just blast away with it forever, but you still can't quite do that.
39 points.
39 points. 39 is the total. Not bad. Only dropped 3 points. Right, well, that all went really pretty well. If there is one downside to this, it's that I was so enthusiastic about the extra magazine capacity that I basically started treating it like a service pistol. Like, oh, there's 6 targets on this stage, 2 or 3 rounds on every target, not a problem. And the extended mag, it actually wouldn't have been a problem. With the flush fit mag, 13 rounds, I'm not doing the +1 because it's, well, I suppose I could have, but it struck me as a competition environment. We'll just stick with the regular magazine capacity. And I did find myself running out at the end of a couple of stages. But again, that's me treating the gun not like a backup pistol, but like a full-size service pistol. With the red dot, it shoots very nicely. Overall, very happy with this. It's light, it's concealable, shoots well, lots of capacity. I like it. Not everyone will. Some people will have problems with the caliber. To me, 9 Parabellum is just perfectly sufficient, and so I have no problem with 30 Super Carry either. Anyway, whether you like it or the gun or not, hopefully you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks.